right. What is up, everyone? Thank you so much for clicking on this video. In today's video, we are going to do some crafts. We are going to make a card, and not just any card, we are making a 3D card. A 3D card means three-dimensional. So I'm just going to give you a sneak preview of a card that I have made earlier. 3D. So you can see the cake is coming out. Ooh, so I am going to show you how I made this. You could make the card for your dad, your mum, your grandma, your granddad, your auntie, your uncle, your teacher, for me. You don't have to. It could be for anyone. So let's get into it. First, couple of things you need to grab are pieces of paper, because I did try some attempts. I had to use my resilience though to try and get the right ones, because some of them, the sizing I didn't really like, and they were cut in all the wrong places. So I had to try that a couple of times. A pencil to draw out the lines, a pen. What else? Oh, if you have some card, grab some card. First thing you're going to do is grab your piece of paper, like so, and I want you to fold it in half. Make sure those corners are lined up and touching each other. Once you've got that, just push down on the edge and it'll be nice and flat. Grab a pencil. I don't have a ruler, so I'm going to use the edge of this card and I'm going to line it up so I can draw the first layer of my cake. The first layer of my cake, I want it to be quite big, so this is going to be the biggest one. So you can see that's my first layer, and I leave a little gap and I'm going to draw the middle layer. So it's just a little bit smaller from the big one, and then the smallest one at the top, just like so. Perfect. Now I'm going to grab some scissors. Remember, if you aren't confident with scissors, get a parent or caregiver to help you. And I'm just cutting along the lines that I have drawn. Now that's done, I am going to push that piece of paper back. Now I'm just adjusting this part because I don't want the piece to go too far. So pushing it back where you cut the lines, having a play around with it. Then I'm pushing it back and opening the card and just playing around with the card again to pop the cake layers out. And folding the card in half so I can flatten it. And it should look something like this. Nice and flat, and when you open it, ta-da! It kind of looks like the start of our cake. Now that I have cut out my cake, I am going to do the fun part and colour it in. I'm making sure I'm not colouring in past the cutout parts, because that's where my cake shape is. And I'm going to add some candles on top so it really looks like a beautiful cake. So now that we have made our lovely card, I want to glue this in, because I mean, if you open it up and it looks like that, the person might be like, I'm gonna make sure I don't get these parts, because I don't want those glued down, because then our card's not going to be 3D. So just the back of it, and just maybe just on the large parts here. So I'm going to do that. Okay. I'm so proud of myself. I have finished my card. So on the front, it's just a simple happy birthday, and when you open it, oh, that's not what's meant to happen. Make sure when you give it to the person, when you fold it, you pop all the bits out, and then you can fold it. So take 2. On the card it just says happy birthday, and when you open it up they will see a spectacular cake. And on my message I have written, happy birthday mum, you're the best, have a special day, love, Gabrielle. And you can write whatever you like in your card for the person you are giving it to. I'm going to give this to my mum. It's not her birthday, but we'll see what her reaction is, shall we? Mum, here you go.
Oh, thank you. How did you know? Oh, thank you. That's a beautiful card.
I don't know about you, but I had a blast making this. I would really, really love to see your cards if you make them, and yeah, it'll be really cool to see them. I look forward to seeing you very, very soon. I hope at the levels lower down so we can be together and we can have some more Kiwi Can fun. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Whaawhitai lava, tō whāsoi fua.